or XD or something like that.
Probably a magazine issue.
Thank you.
So you guys can shoot and have fun. We'll see.
Over that or no? I don't know if I want to. This has a good kick, doesn't it?
You're fine with it, I promise you.
Really?
What guns have you shot before?
I have a glass.
This is no more than your Glock. It's a lot heavier gun.
Go ahead.
So what we do, forward, fire, I want it on safety. You're going to hold it the same way. This has a little bit of a pad, it won't kick as bad. And you're going to look through the scope. Get it on the meat of your shoulder, right there. There you go. And if I need to move this up for you, I will. And we're not going to aim at the 9 o'clock. We're going to aim right at the bullseye because this is a scope. With your thumb, you're going to push this forward. Push it all the way. Okay, you're ready to fire. And aim right at the bullseye on the right side. 1 minute.
Push your left eye, look to your right eye. You get ready to take your safety off. Right there, lean the waist a little bit. Lean into it. And whenever slap that trigger.
Good shot.
And work the action. There you go. And if you had another round in there, you can go back and forward. Okay? You want a semi-auto or an over-under?
Huh?
Okay, eject the shell. Shoot her again. Good shot. All right. Leave it open. Leave it open. Put it back in the rack, please.
Same thing as the 2 bricks down? Yes. Okay.
You want the 38 back?
I'll shoot this. I don't know.
Push, pull, just think about it. Pull, squeeze. Push with this hand, pull back with this. You're in.
Going this way.
You can tell if you watch target. Push this in here so we
You're empty.
Carol, you're going to fire first. This one fire.
Why don't you shoot that one?
Well, we'll see if there's time. Yeah, we got it.
Oh, go ahead.